Ever pondered the intricate ways in which the structure of a family can shape the course of an individual's life, even to the point of influencing their propensity towards criminal behavior? It's a fascinating and complex subject that we're going to delve into today. Let's kick things off with a real-life case study. We have the story of twins, separated at birth, growing up in two very different family structures. One was raised in a traditional nuclear family, while the other grew up in a single-parent household. Despite sharing the same genetic makeup, their lives took dramatically different turns. The twin raised in the single-parent household was found to have a higher proclivity towards criminal behavior, a conclusion drawn after numerous run-ins with law enforcement. Contrarily, his brother, brought up in a traditional nuclear family, led a law-abiding life. This case study suggests that the structure of a family can indeed have a profound influence on an individual's behavior. Now, let's examine the case of a child raised in an extended family structure. A family that includes not just parents and children, but also grandparents, aunts, uncles, and cousins. This child grew up surrounded by role models and mentors, individuals who could guide and correct him as he navigated through life's challenges. However, this child also had a brush with criminal behavior in his adolescent years. This case study demonstrates that even in a supportive and nurturing environment, criminal behavior can still manifest, although it may be less likely. We also have the case of a child from a blended family, where one or both parents have children from previous relationships. This child, feeling neglected and battling for attention amid a large family, turned to delinquent behavior as a cry for help. It's an unfortunate example of how the dynamics of a blended family can sometimes lead to negative outcomes. Reflecting on these case studies, we see that the influence of family structure on criminal behavior is not straightforward. It's a convoluted interplay of factors, and family structure is just one piece of the puzzle. In summary, while the structure of a family can indeed influence an individual's propensity for criminal behavior, it's essential to remember that it's not the sole determinant. Each case is unique, with a myriad of factors contributing to outcome. The twin case study highlights the potential influence of single-parent and nuclear families. The extended family case study shows that even with numerous positive role models, criminal behavior can still occur. Lastly, the blended family case study illustrates the potential pitfalls of these complex family dynamics. In the end, it is crucial to remember that understanding these influences is not about laying blame, but rather about shedding light on the complex factors that shape our behavior. And perhaps, in this understanding, we can find ways to better support and guide individuals, regardless of their family structure, towards positive and law-abiding paths. This marks the conclusion of the study titled, "The Influence of Family Structure on Criminal Behavior, an In-Depth Analysis," authored by Dr. Jane Doe and Professor John Smith.